Birla School Pilani students immerse themselves in an enthralling 4-day workshop on jute craft, expertly curated by BET Technology and Art Training Center Pilani. The visionary principal, Mr. Dhirendra Singh, championed the promotion of this school program, seamlessly aligning with the new educational policy. This pioneering initiative aimed to transform education from conventional classroom teaching to immersive experiential learning. The dazzling exhibition by students on 7 February 2025 in the GD lawns of BET TATC Pilani left onlookers spellbound by the ingenious synergy of technical skill and artistic expression in the jute products. Students engaged in crafting an array of eco-friendly jute products, uncovering the remarkable benefits of jute over synthetic materials. Major General S.S. Nair, AVSM retired, the illustrious director of Birla Education Trust Pilani, graciously motivated students by visiting their exhibition stalls and conferring outstanding students in this jute craft skill by prestigious certificates.
For admissions, visit our website www.birlaschoolpilani.edu.in or you may contact us on 80940 12102 or 80940 12101.